Hi, I'm Joe with River's Edge Environmental Services, and we are here at the beginning stages of getting the old mine and mill shop removed, starting with some of the abatement of the existing materials, the roofing and the siding, and then we'll start with, or finish up with demolition of the actual structure in the weeks to come. So the crew that's working up there right now is scraping the 4 to 5 layers of existing shingles which contain asbestos material, and then that's getting loaded into containers that are lined with plastic, and then they get kind of a burrito wrap and hauled away to a disposable site certified for asbestos dump. Same with the shingles. Shingles will get removed in the same fashion with using a scissor lift along the sides. They'll get scraped and put into the same type of containment and hauled away for disposal. Once that's all done, the remaining structure is then at that point free of asbestos materials, and we will begin the actual demolition of the building. That will start with the roof structure from one end, and we'll kind of work our way in bay to bay from truss down to the next column and just work those column lines all the way from one end to the next, utilizing the existing concrete foundation for trucks to drive on so that we aren't causing track out issues and things of that nature, especially while we're into the winter months where we're wet and don't want to have soils and things like that leaving the site. So the material leaving the site for the actual structure will be loaded into about 100-yard end dump type truck, so a big truck and trailer, and able to carry about 20 tons of material or so at a time. That actual steel and wood construction debris will be hauled off-site. The wood and any other kind of just garbage type plastic or something like that that's not recyclable gets dumped at a landfill, and then the steel itself will get recycled and turn into future products. So concrete will then be the next step of demolition, and that'll start with kind of the back wall, again trying to utilize as much of the existing foundation to keep our tires clean of our equipment going in and out. And then we'll work our way out as we peel up the flooring, the concrete floor, and load that into trucks. That way we're trying to minimize the amount of time that we actually have tracks rummaging within the soil and stirring it up as we're, again, dealing with the wetter season.